Hey, we picked up this Cirkul, C-I-R-K-U-L water bottle. You add a little pouch to it and it flavors the water for you, and we'll show you how to use it. Okay, here it is, the Cirkul water bottle. Opens up right here. This all comes out. Like that. Tells you a lot of stuff about it here, how to use it. 0 sugar, no artificial flavor, no artificial colors, all that. Okay. Here is your bottle. Here is one of your containers. It says fruit punch. So if we open this up, like so, put your water in here. This little guy goes right in here like this. Screw him down. Screw it back on right here. Circle. Now you can, it says fruit punch. Looks like if you take that paper off there, you can adjust this to how much flavoring you want in all your waters, okay? So if I cut that little sucker out of the way, there we go, okay? Get him off the finger. You can adjust this as to how much flavor you want. So you just turn this like that. More or less like that. And we'll put some water in here and see how this one tastes, okay? Now it says here that it has 0 calories, 0 sugar, no artificial flavors, no artificial colors, okay? It says one of these flavor containers will handle 6 bottles of water. So we've got ours in there. If you look up here on the lid, there it says water over here and flavor over here. So the more you turn this top, the more flavor you're going to get. Okay, then you open your lid right here, right there, and let's get us a drink. Whoa, that was a lot of flavor. Woo! I'm going to turn that down a little bit back toward water. Yeah, that's a lot better right there. Now I've got this set maybe not quite halfway, and it's fruit punch. What you do is you open the lid and just suck the water out. Like so. Doesn't look like it flavors the water here, but I mean colors the water. Put your lid back on. There you are. Now, when you're ready to replace it, unscrew this. Take this little guy out right here. And you can pull that out right there. There's your bottle, your fluid. Pull that off. You can take your own flavoring. If you find a flavor at the store that's not their brand, you can pull this little bag off here. Be sure it's empty. You can wash it out if you need to. Take one of those and squirt it, fill it up. Put it back in here like so. Ease it back down in here. Put your cap back on. Screw that back down. And you'll have whatever flavor you want. In case they don't have one of the flavors that you're looking for, you can buy different flavors at the store because people sell flavors all the time. I used to use them a lot. All right? So that seems to be how it works. You can use their flavoring. This one came with fruit punch and mixed berry. They have a lot of other flavors. But also there are shelves in the grocery store of the little squirts that you can squirt into a regular bottle of water. You can fill this thing back up with that. adjust how much flavoring you want right here on top, the little lever, and more or less flavor. If you buy one of their flavors, it comes with everything ready to go. All you do is unscrew the old one, throw it away, open the new one. It'll come just like this. You just screw it in and you're ready to go. So that's how it works. You get, this will handle 6 bottles of water, 20-ounce bottles of water. You get, comes with 2 flavors, 2 containers, and there it is. Cirkul, C-I-R-K-U-L, Cirkul. That's how they spell it, okay? So check them out. I think you'll like them. There you are, Cirkul. I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also, check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.